Last week we started up a new series of mini projects, and this week we have yet another new series. Just like the mini project series did, this experiment series will offer a place for videos that just don't fit anywhere else. I think we'll see all sorts of odds and ends show up here in the future. And just because we're calling these experiments doesn't necessarily indicate some scientific value. It might just be for the sake of fun. So without further ado, let's get into our first episode. This story started with us replacing a door on a 2005 Nissan Murano. We replaced the door because of some collision damage to the sheet metal, but the window was completely intact. So what were we going to do with the old door? The door's owner, Katt, really wanted to destroy it. Neil came up with the idea of trying to use ninja rocks to shatter the window. A ninja rock is a broken piece of the ceramic portion of a spark plug that can be thrown at a window and supposedly shatter it quickly, easily, and quietly. There are quite a few videos of this working, and it definitely is a real thing, but we wanted to try it for ourselves. The basic idea is that the ceramic from the broken spark plug is harder than the tempered glass, and if it hits it on a point, that highly localized pressure is enough to start a chain reaction and shatter the window. Well, that's the theory at least.
Ready? That was anticlimactic.
Do you do one piece at a time, or do you just take it and do like a shotgun blast of them?
I mean, I'll throw them all at once, but then we have to smash another spark plug up.
Yeah. Oh.
I left the mark.
There's
like chip marks, yeah. All right, let me keep trying.
I'm assuming that's a brake drum.
All right, ready?
Jeez. I want to know what Nissan's making these windows out of.
That tempered glass was proving to be much harder than we anticipated. But maybe we just needed a little bit more luck and persistence.
Just like baseball pitch it. Nope.
The ceramic pieces were doing little more than making tiny little chips in the glass. Given enough time and throws and just the right piece landing in just the right way, I guess this would work, but we just were not having any luck with it. So we kinda gave up, and instead of using a ninja rock, we decided to just use the whole dang spark plug.
Jesus, man.
Yeah,
Put my ears on for that one. That had a snap to it.
Loud. Put a dent in it. Oh, Jesus. Did you hit the trigger?
No. It didn't hit the lens, it hit like over here. Glass is pretty
What's your
strong.
throw like?
You actually throwing it like a dart?
Yeah, I'm holding it like right here. Did you hit it?
Yeah, I might have been a little late.
When I wasn't doing it.
Extra fling does it. Look at the flick of the wrist.
The extra mass of using the entire spark plug definitely made a difference, but it seemed like it still had to land just right on the window in order to shatter it. So it took some determination, but we did it. We broke a window with a spark plug. And what did we learn from this? Tempered glass is pretty strong, I guess. But Katt wanted the door destroyed, and I'm not really sure we can call it that yet. Really, you just have to replace the window. So I guess we'll have to take some more drastic measures.
Bye.